In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work non-destructively in Photoshop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to make adjustments or edits to your images without permanently changing or damaging the original content. This is a crucial technique for anyone who wants to maintain the integrity of their original work while still having the ability to make significant modifications. Let's begin with a foundational step that sets the peace of mind you'll need as you edit. Before diving into any significant changes, it's important to duplicate your image layer. This way, you'll always have the original image safe and sound, untouched by any of the work you do in the editing process. To do this, simply select the layer you want to duplicate, right-click on it, and choose Duplicate Layer from the menu. This creates a copy of your layer, allowing you to work freely while keeping a backup version intact. Once that's set, it's practical to save your work as a Photoshop file or PSD. You might be itching to jump straight into edits, but trust me, taking this step ensures all layers and edits are preserved, letting you return to this point with all changes intact and editable later. Now, let's decide on how to remove unwanted elements from your image based on what you're facing. The method you choose should reflect the size and complexity of the object in question. For small blemishes or distractions, such as tiny spots, wires, or lint, the Spot Healing Brush tool is your best friend. You can select this by pressing the J key. Make sure to enable the Sample All Layers option if you're working on a separate layer. Once set, simply click or drag the brush over the object you want to remove. This tool smartly analyzes the surrounding area and effectively blends the target object away. When it comes to larger objects or more intricate backgrounds, you might need something a bit more robust. Begin by using a selection tool like the Lasso tool or the Object Selection tool to select the object you intend to remove. Once your selection is made, navigate to Edit and choose Content-Aware Fill. This opens up a dedicated workspace where Photoshop does a remarkable job of using surrounding pixels to seamlessly fill the selected area. Within the Content-Aware Fill workspace, take some time to adjust the sampling area, output settings, and any additional refinements as necessary to achieve the best results. Play around with these settings to get a feel for how they affect the area being filled, as this can greatly improve the natural appearance of your edit. By the end of this process, you'll have removed distractions or unwanted elements, maintaining the focus of your image while keeping your original file intact. These non-destructive techniques will not only enhance your workflow, but also ensure a higher level of professionalism in your work. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with these fundamentals at your fingertips, your editing skills will surely thrive.